Hello and welcome to the demo of XkOps. In this demo, we will show you how to install XkOps on your Kubernetes cluster. So, let's get started. Before installing XkOps on EKS cluster, as an end user you will create an IAM user with the minimum set of permissions. A reference document with a minimum set of permissions is available for your convenience. We also recommend enabling the key rotation policy on your AWS credentials to minimize the attack surface in case of any breach. Then you need to generate API keys for Robusta and Slack channel. Next, set up AWS Secret Manager and store all the required credentials in it. You can follow the XkOps user guide to understand all of these steps. Now we will start XkOps installation. To start the installation, you need to create a file called value.yaml. Add your region, cluster name and Slack channel name in the file you created. Then start XkOps installation using the Helm command shown on the terminal. As you can see in the video, once we installed XkOps using the Helm chart, it creates two pods. One is our front-end pod called XkOps Dashboard and the other one is XkOps Deployment. XkOps Deployment will run an init container first to set up EBS volume provisioning and then it will install Robusta and kubectl. If we check the status of Robusta pods in its namespace, we can see that pods for Robusta are running. After installation of Robusta, it starts installing kubectl and the same can be verified by the status of pods in kubectl namespace. After XkOps has installed Robusta and kubectl successfully, we have our dashboard for XkOps ready now. XkOps comes with an out-of-the-box workflow of unclaimed volumes remediation which unifies the benefits of both kubectl and Robusta. XkOps fetches unclaimed volumes by requesting kubectl's API and then deletes these by calling Robusta remediation action, hence combining the benefits of both of these tools. If we navigate to the kubectl dashboard, we can see that currently there are no unclaimed volumes in the cluster. We can verify the same from the XkOps dashboard. Now we will apply a manifest to create a dummy persistent volume that is not claimed by any of the pods. A new volume has been created which is in available state as seen on both kubectl and XkOps dashboards. Now we will delete this volume using the delete action button on the XkOps dashboard and as a result, this volume will be deleted using the Robusta remediation action that we have added. With XkOps, users can configure workflows to be triggered or scheduled, empowering them to efficiently make resource management decisions. After the deletion, Robusta sends a Slack notification verifying the unclaimed volume deletion. Although our current offering consists of a single out-of-the-box workflow, we are continuously working to expand our library of workflows and you can help us by being a part of XkOps community where you can share your thoughts by starting a discussion, suggesting new ideas, or reporting any bugs you may find. Your contributions are valuable to us, and we are excited to evolve XkOps in public by building out milestones and a roadmap based on feedback from our users and contributors. This was pretty much it from our side in the demo. Thank you so much for your time.